Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can see your liked videos. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open up the Facebook app. After that, here you can see Reels option. Tap on it. Now you see the Reels. All I have to do is tap on three dots and tap on save reels. Now my reel is saved now. Now what you have to do, go back and here you can see the saved option. Tap on it and now here you can see my saved video. So guys, this is if you want to unsave, you can click on unsave and this video will be unsaved. So guys, this is how you can see your saved or liked videos on Facebook. Hope you guys like my video. So guys, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future. Thanks guys.